Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we're gonna see how to install Suplemon. Suplemon is a modern text editor that emulates the multi-cursor behavior and other features of Sublime text editor. And also it is a lightweight and really easy to use. You can use it whether the Linux distribution that you are using as a GUI or not. And also it is very simple, fast and powerful. So let's proceed with the installation of Suplemon text editor. Before installation, first make sure that you have the latest version of Python 3 and PIP3 installed. In order to do that, run the following command. Now let's install the Suplemon using the following command. Now it is successfully installed. In order to start the terminal, enter the following command. So this is the interface of Suplemon editor, and you will see something like this. So if you see at the bottom, you can find the key map configuration for this Suplemon editor. If you want to edit them, just run the key map command. And now I'm exiting. Now in order to create a file and open a file using that editor, just run the command Suplemon. Now editor has been opened. Now a file has been opened using Suplemon editor. So this is how you install and use Suplemon editor on Ubuntu 16.04. I hope this tutorial helps you. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorials visit www.linuxhelp.com. Mail us to support@linuxhelp.com for any queries.